Once again, welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel, you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. Also, share as much as possible to the students of all standard. So let us start today's lesson with a new topic, that is solving quadratic equation by the method of completing the square. Last class you have learned how to solve a quadratic equation using factorization method. Here we will see how it is to be done by completing the square. Here we are making the LHS of the equation a perfect square in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square or a square plus 2ab plus b square. So how it is to be done? So the example is solve x square minus 9x plus 20 equal to 0. You have to find the values of x for which the equation is satisfied. There will be two values for a quadratic equation that are the solution. Then here first you have to see whether the coefficient of x square is 1 or not. Here it is 1. If it is not 1, you have to make it equal to 1 by dividing that coefficient both the sides of the equation. Otherwise, value of the equation will change. Here there is no question of dividing. The coefficient of x square is 1. Next step is make the constant term to RHS. So the equation is rewritten as x square minus 9x equal to minus 20. Plus 20 become minus 20. That is the next step. Make the constant term to RHS. Now what you have to do? You have to make x square minus 9x in the form of a square minus, here minus sign middle, minus 2ab plus b square. A square is understood. That is x square. The value of a is x. And you have to get the value of b. Or you have to add b square here. For that, what is b? This will be 2ab. That is 9x will be 2ab. Therefore, b will be 9 upon 2a. Here a equal to 1. We made the equal to 1 if it is not. So, what you have to add? What is b? 9 upon 2. That is half the coefficient of x and square of that. Then only we will get b square. You have to convert in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So, to get the value of b, what you have to do? Half the coefficient of x, because x is a. This is 2ab. Understood? So, that is the next step. Find half the coefficient of x, the whole square. So, minus also you have to see. Minus 9 upon 2 the whole square. When it is square, become positive. What is minus 9 square? Equal to 81. 2 square 4. So half the coefficient of, understood by half the coefficient of x? That is nothing but the value of b. B square you have to get. You have to convert into a square minus 2ab plus b square. That b square you have to add here. So in order to find b square, you have to find half the coefficient of x the whole square. We got that is 81 upon 4. Adding 81 upon 4 to LHS and RHS. Otherwise value of the equation will change. So you have to add actually only in LHS. But at the same time the same value you have to add to RHS also. So adding, next step is adding 81 upon 4 to both the sides. That is x square minus 9x plus 81 upon 4 equal to minus 20 plus 81 upon 4. Understood? 81 upon 4, half the coefficient of x the whole square. That is nothing but the value of b square in the identity a square minus 2ab plus b square. Since it is middle term is minus. You have to convert in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So on simplifying the RHS minus 20 plus 81 upon 4, we got 1 upon 4. How it is? By cross multiplying. 4 into 20, 80. Minus 80 plus 1. Minus 80 plus 81. What is minus 80 plus 81? 1 upon 4. Clear? And here, this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is a? Square root of x square, x. That is understood. And what is b? Square root of 81 upon 4. Square root of 81 is 9. And square root of 4 is 2. So 9 upon 2 is the value of b. That is b square. So this is of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write that is nothing but a minus b the whole square. That is equal to x minus 9 upon 2 the whole square equal to 1 upon 4. Clear using the identity. Now what you have to do? Taking square root on both the sides. So when you take the square root of x minus 9 upon 2 the whole square will be x minus 9 upon 2. And when you find the square root of 1 upon 4, it will be 1 upon 2. Square root of a number can be positive or negative because minus into minus plus. So square root of 4 can be 2 or minus 2. Minus 2 square is 4, 2 square is also 4. So for two values will be there, either 1 upon 2 or minus 1 upon 2. So x minus 9 upon 2 equal to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 or what it is? X minus 9 upon 2 equal to 1 upon 2 or minus 1 upon 2. Understood this step? Then what you have to do? If it is like that, x minus 9 upon 2 equal to 1 upon 2 or x minus 9 upon 2 equal to minus 1 upon 2. So x is equal to this minus 9 upon 2 taken to RHS become plus 9 upon 2. So x is equal to 9 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 or 9 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Clear that? So when the denominator is same, we can add or subtract the numerator. So 9 plus 1, 10 upon 2 or 9 minus 1, 8 upon 2. So x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 4. Two values we got. Clear? So solution is 5 and 4. This is the method of finding solution of a quadratic equation by completing the square. Understood? Completing the square. We are making the LHS of the equation a perfect square in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square or a square plus 2ab plus b square. Another example, see. Here the coefficient of x square is not equal to 1. 3x square minus x minus 4 equal to 0. So what is the first step? Make the coefficient of x square equal to 1. What you have to do? Which number you have to divide by here? 3. So each term you have to divide by 3. That is 3x square upon 3 minus x upon 3 minus 4 upon 3. equal to 0. Then only you have to take half the coefficient of x. Clear? So 3 upon 3 then become x square. Coefficient of x square become 1. X square minus x upon 3. Then you have to make the similar method. Constant term to RHS equal to 4 upon 3. Now similar method you have to follow. So first step, convert coefficient of x square equal to 1 without changing the value of the equation. Now find half the coefficient of x the whole square. What is coefficient of x here? Minus 1 upon 3. Half into minus 1 upon 3 the whole square. So in numerator minus 1, denominator 6. Square of 1 minus 1 is 1, square of 6 is 36. So half the coefficient of x the whole square is 1 upon 36. Adding 1 upon 36 to both the sides. So x square minus x upon 3 plus 1 upon 36 equal to 4 upon 3 plus 1 upon 36. This on simplifying, I got 49 upon 36. How it is? Take LCM method. 36 is the LCM. LCM divided by 3, 12. 36 divided by 3, 12. 12 into 4, 12 into 4, 48. 48 plus 1, 49 upon 36. And LHS is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is a? Square root of x square x. What is b? Square root of 1 upon 36, that is 1 upon 6. And sign of the middle term is minus. Therefore, sign of the binomial is also minus. So, this can be written as x minus 1 upon 6 the whole square equal to 49 upon 36. Taking square root on both the sides. X minus 1 upon 6 equal to square root of 49 is 7 and square root of 36 is 6. 7 upon 6 or again two values or minus 7 upon 6. Therefore, x is equal to 7 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6. Minus 1 upon 6 become plus 1 upon 6. And minus 7 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6. So 7 plus 1, 8 upon 6. On simplifying, 4 upon 3. And here minus 7 plus 1 minus 6. Minus 6 upon 6 minus 1. So one value is 4 upon 3 and the other value is minus 1. Clear? By taking both positive square root and negative square root. We will get two values as solution of quadratic equation. By completing the square, we can find both the solutions of quadratic equation. Understood? Therefore, the answer is 4 upon 3 and minus 1. Understood the method? Practice for more sums like this and learn. So that is the end of today's lesson. Thank you for watching this lesson. Please share and forward as much as possible. See you next week.